Take everything we got, give it an honest shot, turning it on and off, we've been sliding, riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun, with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last, fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. I've been flying off the ceiling, and maybe we're invisible.
Ooh, wow. Talk about fog.
Good morning.
Good morning.
The camera's gonna fog up, just like my memory. It's gonna keep fogging up. That's our hotel over there. That's a squirrel.
Squirrel. Georgia squirrel. That's actually a gas light.
Is it?
That's gas.
Oh, it's actual real gas.
Yeah.
Cool. That's cool. It's got like little boots and a helmet and a rifle.
Jeez, look at it. Ugly boat too.
Big old boat.
I need to paint that boat.
Yeah, it's kind of an ugly boat.
These things move pretty fast down that river.
They do, don't they? We are up early. Well, it's like 7.
It's not that early.
So we're out for a walk.
Yeah,
this morning.
it's Kelly's birthday. Yay,
Yay!
Kelly! Happy birthday.
Thanks. Hey, I know you guys are not going to see this for a while, but I just want to really quick say thank you to Emma and John and everybody who participated in my birthday video.
It was very
that
special.
Emma and John put together.
She bawled like a baby.
I did.
She did.
I did.
Yeah.
It was probably the nicest thing anybody's ever done for me. Well, except for Bob, but like a friend.
No, I'm really like, yeah, you put me to shame. Thanks, Emma.
I'm gonna cry again, so I just want to say thank you, and we're gonna go for a walk.
Yeah, and check out some of the sights of Savannah.
Yes.
Look at these big ass oak trees. These things are huge.
Massive.
They are hundreds of years old too. Probably thousands. Cemetery.
Is it Daughters of the American Revolution?
Yep.
They're doing a lot of construction.
Yeah, construction is progress. In memory of the patriots of the war, American Revolution. Does it say 1777 to 1807? This is a cemetery like in New Orleans. Some are, they can actually bury people underground here, but they also have above ground graves. But it's like it's lowlands, marshy. It's kind of soggy.
Look at how old some of the headstones are. I mean, they're just like
tiny little
stone left.
baby. Yeah, these are probably like 300 years old almost. It's nothing, you know, to Europe standards, but for America, that's
pretty old.
because that one like 1727 to 1806. Look at that, so cool.
Pretty big. It goes pretty far back here.
Mm-hmm. I actually have to tell you, I've never been in here.
Really?
Yeah, I just walked past it. Look at all this. Look at this, the engravings on these things. You can barely see it. It's like all worn off. Coming up on Chippewa Square. This is the square where Forrest Gump was filmed. The part where he was sitting on his bench waiting on the bus. James Oglethorpe, founder of Savannah. This is Orleans Square. I love this fountain. I used to park over there by the convention center when I worked here. That tree is massive. Oh my god.
Yeah, it's huge.
Can you imagine climbing the top of that sucker? It'd be like Tarzan. Oh!
Happy birthday, Mom.
I got you a present.
Why?
Because I told you I bought this a long time ago. Didn't I?
You did. You
I
did.
I bought it was probably like 6 months ago I bought this. Are you ready? No.
Really?
Yeah.
Ooh, it's a fancy box.
Long time ago.
It's like
It's
a fortress to try to get into.
It's very precious.
Yee! Yeah, I love it. I love it. Ooh, it's so cool.
Narcissa Malfoy's wand. It's so cool.
It's got a little stand.
It's got a wand
and everything.
stand. Yeah.
Thanks, babe.
Sure. Happy birthday.
I love it. It's so cool.
Oh, every time you'd say, God, I wish I'd have bought that, I just go,
Can't believe you bought it that long ago.
I did.
Oh yeah,
This is a long time ago. It was probably right after we got back from England.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Because you were so sad that you didn't buy it.
Yeah.
So now you got
Thanks.
Hi.
Hi.
How y'all doing?
We're in the car
Yep.
once again.
In the jig.
In the jig.
jig.
John says we have to. Whenever we say jag, it's the jig.
jig.
We're gonna go out to Tybee Island.
Yes.
See what it's like. Maybe find some lunch. Yep.
Oh yeah.
About how far is it?
It's about 25 minutes, something like that.
Okay.
17 miles.
There's water out there.
It's the ocean. It's the Atlantic Ocean.
It's an island.
Yes.
Okay.
Go that way. About 2,000 miles, you'll hit England.
Hi, Emma John.
If you go that way, sooner or later you'll hit Africa. And if you go that way, you'll hit Savannah.
Kai is not impressed with the beach.
We don't really care for beaches much.
They're not big beach people, but it's fun to come see.
You see, that's a venomous snake nesting area right there.
Nice. Venomous snake nesting area.
That's where my ex-wife was born.
You're funny. Well, like wavy bits in the sand.
It's like a tidal. Look at how far the water
Oh
is
yeah,
there.
all the way out there. Oh, cool. Awesome. Should keep it. Can you keep it? Is it cold?
Yep.
It feels good. You should, yeah.
Makes you dizzy.
Does it?
Yeah, if you're walking and looking at the water come back to
What's that?
you.
Pelican?
Yeah, these are hard to come
That's
by.
so cool.
Hi. What?
Oh no, I got like an old neck.
Well, you're 50 now.
Does that mean you have to have like overnight old neck?
Overnight, I started popping ibuprofen like it was chiclets when I turned 50.
I know why. Like women start.
Yeah, they started like
Bring
buttoning
scars.
up really good. Look, there's a big boat.
Oh. Can I just show you the big boat really quickly? Can't miss the big boat. Look, this is outside our window. That is a big boat. It's going right by our window.
Yep, and it's going bye-bye.
That could be your car on that boat.
Well, no, because it's leaving the country.
Okay, that could be ramen noodles on that boat. Who knows what that is?
It's IKEA furniture.
Okay. Hamburg Bay, Monrovia. What? Oh.
Or the registry of the boat. That doesn't mean it's going there.
Okay. Look at all that stuff
Yeah, that's the dumbest stuff.
on that boat.
Buttload of stuff.
Yeah, it is.
It's hard to believe that shit doesn't fall off.
It does, doesn't it?
Sometimes it does, but...
Yeah. What you been doing?
I have been editing a vlog.
A vlog?
Yes, I edited last week's weekly vlog.
Yes,
and
you
then
did.
Kelly re-edited it, and then
I just fine-tuned it.
she re-edited it.
I didn't re-edit it. I fine-tuned it.
And then she put the music to it and did the thumbnail, so it's all ready to go up. We're gonna go to dinner, and then I'm gonna put it up.
Yep. Where are we going?
We're going to Girabaldi's.
Garibaldi's. It's like Italian, I think.
Yes, and it's on Congress, so it's not that far away.
So you know exactly where it is.
I looked at the map, yes.
Cool. What have you been doing, Kyle?
I took a nap.
You took a nap?
I took a nap.
Wow. I'm very backlit.
It was hard to get up.
I did not take a nap. But I rested, which is nice. It's what, 7:30?
Mm-hmm.
Our dinner reservation's at 8.
Yep.
So,
We're gonna leave here in about 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Yeah.
2 minutes to Wapner.
Well, Kaya's
In the loo. Okay. We'll see you at dinner.
Damn, we're red.
We're red. We're not sunburned, I promise. We are at dinner. We just have a couple cocktails. It's very cute in here.
Yes, it is.
So I have a Cosmo, and Bob has something called PB&J, which I don't know what it is.
It's got rum and jalapeno
pineapple juice.
and pineapple juice.
That's Bob's. That's mine. Andrea would be proud. I have a Cosmo. Kaya has water. Yay, Kaya. But it's very cute in here. I'll show you around. Look at the ceiling. It's like all copper. Bob has French onion soup.
Yes, I do.
And it's just
It's satisfactory.
It's average.
Because look at the bread. It doesn't even cover the whole bowl. The cheese is not dripping.
Bob is like the French onion soup critique.
And there's very little onions. in
Onion.
it. Very few.
I'm sorry.
No, that's okay. It's got good flavor. It just is a little lacking.
Okay. That's the French onion soup review.
Yeah. And how's your Cosmo?
Cosmo is very good.
Yes.
Actually very good.
Does it? Can you even taste the alcohol in it? Okay.
Did it get darker in here?
Yes, it did.
Okay.
This is good too. And I can taste the pineapple, and I can taste the pineapple and the jalapeno, but I can't taste the alcohol.
Why are you so happy? You got a tiny fork. Now she's a happy camper. That's all it takes is a tiny fork.
And tiny spoons.
Yep. See?
So she had a little tiny cool little happy birthday wish made of chocolate and the candle to blow out. Are you ready to blow out your candles?
I'm ready.
Okay. Happy birthday to you.
Blow it out now.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Kelly. Happy birthday to you.
That was very impressive.
Way to go. That was good. Good job, Kelly. You're such a good girl. Such a good girl. And then she's got this, the basket of berries with
Very
creme
pretty,
anglaise. It does look pretty cute. And Kaya's got bourbon
Good.
pecan pie.
It's very good.
Okay, this is Kaya's show.
Hello.
Welcome to
Welcome.
Movie Phone. Okay, we're gonna end this day today because we had a fabulous day. We drove up to Hilton Head Island and saw where the DVC resort was. We couldn't get in, of course, because we didn't have reservations, but we just saw where it was. And Hilton Head Island's a pretty fancy place, don't you think?
Mm-hmm.
It's got some very...
Looks like an hour drive from here.
Yeah, just about an hour.
Mm-hmm.
And so we went to Tybee Island, we got our feet wet, found some sand dollars. That was really cool because I've never found a sand dollar before. And we had like dinner at...
Yeah, we stopped filming at dinner because dinner wasn't the best.
No.
It wasn't bad, but it wasn't great.
I've learned that I put too much faith in Georgia when it comes to pasta.
So, you know, I mean, yeah, it could have been better. So we just weren't like...
We're kind of snooty about it
Will
too.
you stop being so tall?
We are definitely food snobs.
We are, you know, and we figured if it's, you know, why just sit there and complain? So
Yeah, but it was, it was edible, it was yummy, it was not fabulous, but it was good.
it wasn't the best, but it wasn't the worst either.
Reminded me of my grandmother's pasta.
Which is saying something.
On
that note,
I think it's time for us to say bye for now.
all right. Thank you guys so much for watching today. If you have not already done so, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button.
Bing.
And also, don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you know every single time we post. Thank you for watching. Ding! Love you. Take care of yourselves. We will
Stay healthy.
see you next time.
Good luck.
Thumbs up.
Bye.
Okay. Wait.
Bye.
Love you, bye.
Bye.
Bye.